was home when you left.
You're right.
Your brother was home when you left.
You're right.
The dog was home when you left.
You're right.
The cat was home when you left.
You're right.
The fish was home when you left.
You're right.
Your mommy, your daddy, your brother, your sister, the dog, the cat, the fish was home when you left.
You're right.
And that's the reason you left.
You're right.
I left my home.
I left my home
To join the army.
to join the army.
I left my home.
I left my home
To join the army.
to join the army.
The day I left, my mama cried. She thought that I would surely die.
Category. The plaque of recognition is presented to Master Sergeant O'Neill A. Sandoy, 785 to 54 Philippine Air Force, for having been adjudged as the best CIS NCO of the year 2021 for operations category, for his outstanding and excellent performance of duties and responsibilities as company's first sergeant of Headquarters Service Company, first CIS Group Communication Electronics Information System Service, Armed Forces of the Philippines.
So in behalf of our commander, APSES, I would like to hand over the certificate of appreciation to you, Master Sergeant Roel A. Sandoy, 785284. Tama po ba yung serial number natin? Malamang baka ito na yung last certificate mo sa servisyo. So we are so privileged na nakasama po namin kayo, and kahit napaka-bilis, pero very substantive talaga yung aming feeling ko. Kahit na umalis ako ng sandali, marami akong na-pick up sa tinuro nyo, and by your experience, talaga namang yun yung siguro magandang na-share ko sa mga batang ito. Na lalo-lalo na yung passion natin sa trabaho, and the way to take care yung gamit na hindi natin. Okay? So, yun yung pinaka-agrihan ko talaga. Kasi natuwa ko rin parating sa mga kasama ko sa office na yung mga yan, hindi yan masisira agad-agad. Depende sa taong makawak at gumagamit. So, napakagandang ating napag-usapan at lecture ninyo. Thank you so much.
I left my home
To join the army.
to join the army.
I left my home.
I left my home
To join the army.
to join the army.
The day I left, my mama cried. She thought that I would surely die.
Would surely die.
I left my
Sir Sandoy, happy birthday and happy retirement. God bless always. Thank you, sir, sa mga naituro mo. And I hope to your civilian life na mas maging productive ka as lolo and father to your family. God bless, sir.
Nais ko kayong pasalamatan kahit man lamang isang awitin.
To our Snappy First Sergeant, Master Sergeant Sandoy, sir, salamat sa lahat, sir, lalo na sa napakahusay na leadership mo, sir, sa amin at sa trabaho, sir. Maraming salamat ulit, sir. Happy retirement and happy birthday, Ninong Sir Sandoy, sir. Thank you.
Kaya't itong awiting aking inaawit, nais ko'y kayo ang handugan. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit
Happy birthday, Ninong! Wish you all the best. May God bless you and good health and more happiness in life.
Happy retirement, sir. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your life as civilian. More blessings. Ingat palagi, sir.
Happy birthday, Master Sergeant Ronel Sandoy, Philippine Air Force. Ang napaka-snappy kong First Sergeant. Congratulations! Welcome to the world of retirees. Huya!
narinig ang isip ko at naintindihan. Dahil dito'y ibig ko kayong ituring na matalik kong kaibigan.
First Sandoy, happy birthday and happy retirement. Looking forward. Alam ko, looking forward ka talaga dyan sa araw na yan. Minabangan mo talaga yan, inasam-asam mo yan, makakapagpahinga ka na ng maayos, wala kang stress. Ayun, first, good luck sa back to civilian life.
Tayo'y nagkasama, tatanda at lilipas rin.
Good morning first, bagong lahat, nais mo natang batiin ng happy birthday. May your life be filled with happiness and may all your dreams come true. And good luck sa iyong retirement. Happy 35 years in the service. Snappy salute. Napaka masipag na First Sergeant. Napaka masigasig. Snappy. Yun lang first. Good luck sa iyong retirement first. At mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Snappy salute first.
Sa aking former First Sergeant ng 100 Sokoy ng First CIS Group at mentor ng Public Address System, Master Sergeant Ronel A. Sandoy, Philippine Air Force. First, binabati kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa araw na ito, October 29, 2025. Enjoy your day first. Siguro ito na yung birthday mo na wala ka ng stress sa trabaho. Alam naman natin na ilang araw na lang, officially retired ka na. Wala ka nang iisiping trabaho at obligasyon pa. Kaya magagawa mo na ang gusto mo sa buhay. First, once again, happy birthday. I wish you good health and more success in your life. In advance, happy retirement.
Ako'y nagtataka sa aking nadarama.
First, good evening. First of all, nagpapasalamat kami sa iyo, ako, dahil sa matagal natin pinagsamahan. Na alam ko na marami akong natutunan sa iyo. At hindi ko makakalimutan yon, lahat ng magandang advice mo sa akin. Ikaw pa rin ang magiging reference ko kasi napakagaling mong First Sergeant. Sa yung pagtatapos sa iyong serbisyo, sana ay maging masaya ka, good health, saka no stress na. First, happy birthday and happy retirement. I salute you.
Sana ay iyong mga ngiti na kung minsan hindi ko
Happy birthday, First. On behalf of First CIC family, the officers, enlisted personnel, and civilian human resource of First CISG, we wish you a very happy birthday and continued success in your career. Your dedication, professionalism, and service to our nations are truly appreciated. May this year bring you good health, happiness, and fulfillment both on and off duty. First, maligayang kaarawan at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ipaabot mo sa iyong pamilya na malapit ka na namin isa uli sa kanila. Again, happy birthday.
First Sandoy, happy birthday and happy retirement soon. I hope na happy ka na kasama yung family mo in the future. Ako, in-enjoy ko na yung retirement ko eh. Sige, on the way na rin ako for Pampanga. Happy birthday.